The world as we know it is different from the world as we knew it. People going through it, anything you wanna do it. The earth stood still and stopped moving, so if you're gonna jump, don't do it. A jagged little pill wants you over, smoking on the 5-leaf clover, but I'm still sober. The weight of the planet on my shoulders, living in a bubble, get popped like tapioca boba. Had a 9 to 5 pre-corona, always got money on the side like fries in the soda. Still jugging beats by the folder, still drop heat like a plane full of parachute soldiers. The whole West Coast is on fire, really can't be satisfied till the president retires. A whole generation of survivors, a whole generation of MacGyvers, rabbit hole divers. The world as we know it is different from the world as we knew it. People going through it, anything you wanna do it. The earth stood still and stopped moving, so if you're gonna jump, don't do it. From the beginning of time, people always thought the mystery was something divine. Had to God for every planet, had to God for the wine. And the ones that worship Saturn, God the death worship time. There's a sickle on your cross, not a hammer and sickle, and you can't run from it, cause it's coming to get you. No free will, just illusion of choice. No First Amendment, just illusion of voice. People starting to panic, people wake from their depression, then they start to get manic. I just can't understand it. In the place they put the palace on a diggable planet. At a glance, the Emerald City looking somewhat enchanted. I go off on a tangent, unsigned cosigns got me causing some damage. Think the eagle is landed. I'm the realest nigga Rican, but I'm lacking in Spanish. Now I pray like a menace. Think I came from Atlantis. Yeah.